Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today that is on September 6, 2022. So I have taken two trades and two trades are from two different sectors. One is from pharma and second one is from metal sector. So let us discuss the first stock. So that is from pharma. So the first stock that is SUNPHARMA. So first before speaking about the stock, let's speak about the sector. So if you check the sector in first half of the day, so it was making bearish candles and was going on to the sideways. So I have noticed one thing in Sunpharma. So while in sector it was making bearish candles, here you can see it was making bullish candles in Sunpharma. So this made me think of taking a long position. So when the market tried going upwards, so I thought of taking a long position. So accordingly I have taken a long position in Sun Pharma. So that is my entry price was at 884.50. So my trade got executed around 11:22. So in this candle my trade got executed and my entry price was at 884.50. So it went upwards and uh, so I thought it would still go up. Uh, I exited around 3:06 p.m. 3:06. So in this candle, I have exited my position. So that is at 888.65. 888.65. In this candle, I have exited my position. So that is at 888.65. So that was the first trade. So let's speak about the second trade. So that is from a metal sector. So metal sector today it was dancing like anything. First, let's speak about the sector. Where is this? So, in the first 1 hour, it made some bearish and converted into bullish momentum. But if you check the stocks, so most of the stocks, so those were going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down. So it repeated in many of the stocks in metal sector. You can also see in Hindalco came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up. So you can check. So this is somewhat different. I did not think of taking a trade in uh, Jindal Steel. So after formation of this candle, uh, I have seen this stock. So because of which I did not take an entry in Jindal Steel. So I have taken an entry in JSW Steel. So after formation of this candle, this bullish candle, so I thought of taking an entry and my entry price was at 682.50. So that is at 12:26. So in this candle trade got executed. Entry price was at 682.50 and I have placed my stop loss at below of this candle. So that is at 680. See, and I have exited at 683.20 at 3:06 p.m. So in this candle I have exited my position. So after this swing I thought it would go up but again it came down. So if you see the sector, so it was continuously going up, right? So because of which I did not exit in a JSW Steel. So I have waited but it did not even get 1:1 ratio. It got 1:1, but I did not book my profits. So yeah, guys, that is all for today. See you in the next video.